William, Jake and Sophie TVV. William, Jake and Sophie TV. A brand new video today. Well, I'm joining by Jake and Will Plays Games. I haven't heard you. Say it loudly this time. Jake and Will plays. Say Jake and Will Plays Games. Jake and Will Plays Games, but sadly I'm not loading it. Yeah, it's going really boring. So I'm on Cat Minus, and yeah, I think I'm. So the other time, I think this is like part number 2. Yeah, I think I was meant to do it like in stage 4. I think I'm going to be in this video today, so I think I have to play Castle. So everyone say bye to me. Bye. Okay. Thank you. No. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video because wait. Oh, there we go. Bye guys, see you in a minute. Okay guys, let's go into the next one. Yeah, did you know there's actually a warm-up ready for... So last time Daddy said, right, can I have my laptop please from the last video? Was it funny? Yeah, but now there's actually a warm-up for this. There's actually that was a warm-up video. There's actually going to be a I hope I complete this obby now. Mummy and Daddy are talking, so they're setting up our brand new living room TV. And Jake's playing Universal at the moment, yeah. So I'm going to cut the video, see you in a minute. And I am about to do this maze, so see you in a minute. So if you know, last time it was shut, but not anymore, because, well, it has updated it. Oh my gosh. This is when Daddy said, right, can I have my laptop, please? Yeah! You said that now. Oh my gosh. You guys have never heard this before. Oh my gosh. When you die, you come, take us doing the maze, say hi. Hi, doing the maze. I can't find my mistake. I did it. Well, I'm streaming tonight. Are you ready for the Jailbreaks update video? Yeah, but Man City's update's out today. I don't know what time, about tonight. Burning forcings, oh my gosh. I'm going to cut some stages about this, see you in a minute. I'm back! There we go, let's go through the lunch plate. No, that's not lunch, that's squirty. I think I always make silly things. No! Well, I'm going to cut the video of this. You know, this last time I was small and now I'm big. Look at my new bounce. Hi, Jake and Will Plays Games. Hi, I'm going to cut the video. This is called Watch for Lunch. Man, looks like Jerry will not be coming to school Monday. Really? It's Saturday. Yeah. It's Saturday. Really? It's dream. Oh my god, it's actually... Oh, I got killed by... I just got teleported by the egg. Oh, the egg just killed you. No! No, this film just killed me. Okay, I'm going to cut the video. I was taking really slow. Just move. Hey, I told you to move. Oh, he's here. Oh, he's here. Hello. Yes, loose plates. What did he say? Plates are stables. Yeah! Yay! Which one is the next one? Oh, really that's easy. It's the middle. No, I fell over. I hope it's that one. Yeah, it's that one. It is that one, Jake. Wait for me. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video because I was going really slow. Station yard, and then you're gonna bounce, 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 bounce. Oh no! I think this video is really short. Oh, how did it get that? Stop it! I died! Ow! Yes, I like your new. You guys don't know about Grandma Obby looks like. Yeah, did you know we had this? Is the only way out. This is called. No, I died before we get eaten. Me and Grandma. I want to cut the video. I'm done. Look at that, Grandma. We're gonna go in. We're gonna go in. No. Grandma's no snack. No. Wait for me. I'm got the video.
ever.
No!
There's a way out. There's a way
Wait for
out.
me!
There's a way out.
No! I'm gonna cut the video. Grandma's main course.
Did you know?
Pizza party used to be on Roblox.
Now it's disappeared.
R.I.P. Pizza Party.
Okay, time for
Calling
to.
We almost finished this obby.
Yeah, before.
Have a little try if you oof.
Yeah.
Little try of oofing. Oh, it does oof you.
Ha ha ha.
Oh, it does oof you, no. It does oof you now. Ah! Oh my god, I need to cut the video because it's crazy. We're back. So this is called Stinky Silla. Oh my gosh. So who's going to beat one? So I'm almost...
Wait for me.
No. I was winning. Yeah! Oh my gosh. What's this?
Wait for me.
What? I oofed? No! I didn't get nothing about.
Just wait for me.
I need to reset. I'm stuck. Okay, I'm stuck, guys. What happened, Jake? Move. Yay!
Okay, guys. So you must actually
hit that subscribe button.
No, I just died.
No. What happened? I tried to help, and what happened to me?
Watch me. Don't.
So, I need to wear this now.
You have to try. Oh, Sticky just died me.
Sorry, Jay.
Oh, whoa.
What's going
So
on?
hard. Whoa. Wait a minute. Just jump. I'll over it.
No.
I'll just wait for you. We'll see you at the
I'm
field.
taller now. I'm a taller man.
You look like the funhouse cheerleader.
Okay, guys. So we're almost ending.
Do you think you're cooler than a sauce of chickens?
This is called the end. I don't know.
Party time.
Wait for me.
Party time.
Yay!
Yeah. What are these? Make sure to subscribe and sub on YouTube.
Yay!
Oh wait, there's something.
Oh my god.
Look.
This again. I remember these.
Yeah.
I played these when I played in Roblox HQ obby.
Hey, do you remember these?
How do you get the speed?
Ouch!
Where's the speed? I don't have no clue. This one I'm gonna use like Maxter because last time I did this is good. But
Hello, I'm stuck. By the way,
oh my gosh, reset! Just reset yourself.
Ah! I'm be taller now.
You're gonna be taller then. Okay, look at me, Jake. Look at me.
Let's see you.
La 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 la. Yeah, guys. No.
Oh. Look at me.
No!
Ah!
Alright, guys, hit the subscribe button, notification bell to never miss a video. And Jay, come to say goodbye. Bye!
Wait a second.
Yeah?
Look. I need to do something. Let me just.
Dun. What is it?
Just wait for a minute.
Bye!
No! Just wait. I got something to show you.
What? I said bye then.
I'm floating away.
Oh my god.
Oh, floated.
Bye! Bye, guys! Jake. Oh, I got my new follower!
Oh.
I get to let her a friend. Oh my god, you're going really high. Jake, reset! Because you're going really high at the moment. Jake, jump off! And I told you.
Floating.
Ah!
Wow!
Bye, guys! Hit that subscribe button, engagement bell to never miss a video on Grandma Obby, and I'll see you very soon.
Bye.
Bye. William, Jake, and Sophie TV. William, Jake, and Sophie, subscribe and hit Okay, guys, hit the subscribe button, notification box, never miss a video, and I'll see you in the next video. In the music video around 5 o'clock. See you at the music video.